in today's video, guys. I am creating these beautiful gift baskets. We are celebrating the Ushers at our church on this coming Sunday, and I was tasked with, of course, going out, purchasing gifts, and coming up with the gift basket concept. So I am super excited, and I cannot wait for you to see exactly what is in the bags. Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I put inside of these gift bags. I was tasked with creating bags for the ushers at our church. We are going to be celebrating them on this week, and I am so excited. I cannot wait for you to see what I came up with. As you can see, I have the gift bags in front of me. We have a total of 10. We have 5 women, we have 4 men, and we have a young male that is a part of our usher team, and I am super excited. I keep saying I because I am also one of the ushers, you guys. So look, let's just take a look at what is inside the bag. Let's just first start out with the bag, okay? So I got these bags, of course, from Hobby Lobby. I love to shop at Hobby Lobby for my gift bags. They always have a really good selection. And I decided to just go with a nice little pool bow on the outside and then yellow tissue paper. These are for the men. And this one right here is for the woman. Of course, I decided to go with the yellow pool bow, of course, with the festive fall paper on the inside, the gift tissue that I also picked up from Hobby Lobby. So on the inside of the bag, you guys, both the male and females got these beautiful t-shirts. They got these beautiful t-shirts that was customized by, of course, me. So I'm gonna open this one up. This one actually belongs to me, so I'm gonna open it up to show you guys exactly what it looks like. I actually got these from Temu, you guys. As you can see, they are folded so nicely. So this is what it looks like. I thought it was so befitting, you guys. If you can see, it says church usher. It says spreading love through acts of service. So this was so befitting for the occasion. I thought this would be a great ad. I just went ahead and bought these from Temu, but what I did was add a little customization to it. I put the church logo on the sleeve, and I also put our names on the back of the shirt. As you can see, this one says Sister Christy. So everybody will get a t-shirt, and we will decide exactly what day, when, and everything as far as when we're going to wear these. So this is inside of each bag. Of course, I could not stop there with the customization because I love to make things custom. Who does not love a custom item just for them? So this is the shirt, and then I also found these frames, you guys. I found these frames at a steal. They look really good. Here in the city, we have a place called Ollie's. So I went inside and I was just looking around trying to see if I could find a really good buy, and I found these frames right here. Beautiful, elegant. They're unisex, they're versatile, you know, so a man or a woman so would be glad to get this. So I'm glad I ran across it. And of course I had to customize it again by putting the church logo on the inside of it. And it says Sister Christy, because who does not love to see their name in print? And I had a beautiful message written. It says, thank you for being the quiet strength at the doors, for your patience, kindness, and consistency in serving God's people. May the Lord continue to bless you abundantly for the important role you play in his kingdom. And then it has our church name at the bottom. Oh my goodness, y'all tell me, y'all drop me some hearts in the comments because y'all know this is too cute. I just love it. Y'all drop me some hearts in the comments to let me know that you are loving it. And if you are enjoying this video, y'all go ahead and make sure you hit that like button. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. So of course, everybody will have one of these in their bags. And the next thing I decided to put inside the bag are some cups, okay? So I kind of had these cups left over from some other gift bags that I did, which came in handy. So I was able to stick one of these in each of the ladies' bags. And this one just says, thank you for all that you do. Simple, easy. So this is gonna go inside of the lady bags. And this little cup right here, I created for the guys. It's just a little small, simple cup. I added some peppermints to the inside, wrapped it in a treat bag, and added a little bit of ribbon on the outside. Cute, simple. I think the men are going to get a kick out of that. So that was a great added touch as well. Also inside of the bag, I wanted to get little journals, okay? Because everybody needs a journal, a little notebook that they can carry. So of course, during church service, they can make notes. They can do any little thing to keep up with what was going on that day. So I thought this would be good. And I also added the pens to it. And I also found these journals at Ollie's as well. So if you have an Ollie's in your city, make sure you check them out because you can find some really great things in there for some really good prices. I want to say I got 2 notebooks inside of each one, and I want to say it was maybe $2 or something like that. So make sure you look that up. And then of course I just grabbed a pack of pens. It was like maybe 4 in a pack, so that worked out great as well. Of course, it's black and white, it's simple, it kind of goes with the theme of the notebooks. Most of them I got black, but they did have a few blue, so I'm gonna make sure that I put the blue ones inside of the men's, and then the women will get the black, okay? So that is also what is in the bag. So of course, I could not leave out a Dollar Tree gift, you guys. Dollar Tree is really stepping their game up. Well, $1.25 tree, which is not even $1.25 anymore because things are going up in this store. So I found these little holiday treats Dove is doing. This one is a sugar cookie sprinkle. This one smells really, really nice. I saw a total of 3 of these I want to say these are body washes. So it was 3 inside the Dollar Tree that I went to. This one smelled the best. I wanted to get these for the ladies, and then I also keep these little Dove hand lotions on hand at all times because they just make good gifts to give away to my customers when they order things. So I just put this in a little treat bag as well, and then just put a little ribbon on the outside just to make it real cute. Dropped a little shreds on the inside. So this will go inside for the women. And then of course the men, I grabbed these. These did not come from Dollar Tree. I want to say these came from another local store here in the city, but this was just so cute. I'm pretty sure you can find these anywhere, and they were like $5.50, and this was $5 at Dollar Tree. So make sure you guys look for these. I did not, this is lotion actually, so this is not body wash, so I didn't want to put a Dove lotion, the little round lotion, in with another lotion. So for the men, I just kept it simple. I just went ahead and just put the lotion inside of the treat bag, did the same concept, and then just put a little ribbon on the outside and a couple of little shreds. So that is what I did for the men. That is actually everything that is inside of the bags. They came out so good. I hope they enjoy it. I hope they love it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I am going to go ahead and finish packing up everything, but this is what it will look like. I appreciate you so much for watching. I appreciate you for liking and subscribing to the channel. But I will see you in the next video. Bye.